Boomer 711, turn left heading 100.
Left 100, Boomer 711. Corporate Bridge, Convoy 4308, 12,000,
Convoy 4308, Corporate Approach, expect vector city ILS 36.
We'll expect ILS 36, Convoy 4308.
Helicopter Nutter, Corporate Approach, you off. Boomer 711, turn left heading 030, contact Navy, Constant Solar Channel 10, Channel 10.
That's 030, Channel 10, Constant Solar, Boomer 711.
Yeah, 4861, center maintain 2000.
2000.
On board 4308, flight heading 160, descend and maintain 10, 10,000.
160, descend and 10,000, on board 4308.
Stingray 40, squawk 0140.
0140, Stingray 40.
Stingray 40, contact Valley Approach 120.7. Unit 4861, turn right heading 270. Unit 4861, fly heading 270.
Fly heading 270,
Confirm that Stingray 6 Lima Foxtrot, cancel not far. 6 Lima Foxtrot, out far, cancellation received, thank you. Unit 4861, 5 miles from Oso, fly heading 330, 2000 to establish cleared ILS 36 approach.
2000, flight heading 330, 2000 to establish.
Unit 4861, past the space, is powering contact corporate star 924.
The Blue Angels strive to embody the commitment to excellence and passion our predecessors had for naval aviation. Our mission is forged around the same ideals embraced by those who have gone before us, and it is upon their shoulders that this team stands today. Our team consists of 130 active duty sailors and Marines, each one bringing experience and expertise from their service in the Navy and Marine Corps fleets. They are a representative sample of women who serve throughout the Navy and Marine Corps, and upon completing their Blue Angels tours they will return to the fleet to continue operational service. Every member understands and embraces the importance of teamwork and strives daily to ensure our flight demonstration exemplifies the pride, professionalism and precision found in every facet of the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. It is an honor to perform for you and humbling to represent our fellow service members. We sincerely hope that whether this is the first, second or 74th time you have seen us fly, the sight and sound of a Blue Angels performance delivers pride and exhilaration, an appreciation for teamwork and precision, and the inspiration to achieve excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my
Ranger
pleasure to present our
845,
2020 Blue Angels.
845, we have an emergency about 25 to the northwest of International. He's looking for a hole or a airport that it's not IFR. Can you do me a favor and check Mustang Beach and see what the weather is there? I appreciate it. Envoy 4308, descend and maintain 2,100. Envoy 4308, descend and maintain 2,100.
Corpus approach, Cherokee 63 Foxtrot Kilo. Corpus departure, Boomer 711, off Navy Corpus, passing 700 for 1600 aeroflow.
So 63 Foxtrot Kilo, Corpus approach, identify your altitude, please.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, currently at 6,700.
63 Foxtrot Tango, ready to contact 25 to the northwest of International. You going to Mustang Beach to land?
3 Foxtrot Kilo, trying to go to Kleberg, IKG, India Kilo Golf.
Sir, I think Kleberg is pretty soaked up in the clouds. I'm showing Mustang Beach has a little bit of a open hole for you.
How far is that, sir?
Envoy 4308, descend and maintain 2,000.
Johnny 2000, Envoy 4308.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, it's about 42 miles to the southeast of you. Out of 100 heading. Boomer 1011, Corpus departure, ready to contact the altitude and turn right heading 090.
Right 090 at 1600 feet, Boomer 711.
Thank you. Three Foxtrot Kilo, you copy about 42 miles at your 100 heading.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, roger that. Just worried about the fuel.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, how much fuel do you have remaining in a minute?
Sir, I don't know for sure. I'm guessing a half an hour. This is 3 Foxtrot Kilo. I was understanding Kleberg was reporting 5,000 scattered.
Well, Center just said that they were pretty IFR over there. The only thing I have here in my airspace is Mustang Beach. And I have a Navy Texan over the airspace right now. He's at 6,500, and he can see the airport.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, roger that. Please give me the identifier.
Romeo Alpha Sierra, Mustang Beach. Envoy 4308, turn left heading 090, vector cross final for descent.
Alright, 090, cross final, Envoy 4308.
Boomer 711, turn right heading 180.
Right 180, Boomer 711.
845, you still seeing the hole over there for Mustang Beach? All right, thanks.
Approach, helicopter, Hotel Papa, Niner.
Hotel Papa, Niner, corpus approach, identify altitude.
Good afternoon, 500 feet, 50 miles northeast to Corpus Christi.
Hotel Papa, Niner, ident, and altimeter 2915.
Say again for Hotel Papa, Niner.
Hotel Papa, Niner, ident, and the corpus altimeter is 3015. Hotel Papa, Niner, radar contact about 8 miles north of Navy True X, maintain VFR on course. The field is IFR, same intention.
Maintain VFR, 3015 in the altimeter, Hotel Papa, Niner.
Envoy 4308, turn left heading 330, join the final approach course.
330 to join the final approach course, ILS 36, envoy 4308.
So we send 116 flight condition.
711, hit or miss on the beach, but we're in the clouds at 1600 on most of the time.
Roger, thank you. Hotel Papa, Niner, take flight condition.
VFR condition right now, Hotel Papa, Niner.
Do you know what the bases are or the top?
Hotel Papa, Niner, VFR 500 feet.
Turn left heading 300.
300,
Hotel Papa, Niner, 4% international dive, from the heading, join the localized support cabin. Number 1 Tango X-ray, contact Valley approach 119.5.
19.5, 1 Tango X-ray. Coast approach, Stingray 33 in the climb, 1000 off Navy.
Stingray 33, corpus departure with a contact, turn right heading 090, climb maintain 5000.
090, 5000, Stingray 33.
Stingray 33, when able, top, bases on top, and when able to cancel IFR.
600 is the base, and looks like about 1200 is the top, but I'll cancel it with you in a second.
Okay. Envoy 4308, 4 miles from Oso, fly heading 330, 2000 till established, cleared ILS 36 approach.
Alright, heading 330, 2000.